Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how can we make a scar less obvious. As an ENT specialist and head neck surgeon, we have to do multiple head neck surgeries requiring external skin incision. And some techniques may be applied or adopted to make the scar less obvious. The techniques start from planning of the incision. During planning of the incision, we should keep in mind the relaxed skin tension line, RSTL, and we have to give incision parallel to the relaxed skin tension line. We can camouflage the skin incision within the existing skin lines like a neck crease or nasolabial fold. During closure, we have to pay attention that closure should not be under tension. For tensionless closure of the wound, we can undermine the wound and we have to close it in multiple layers, like suturing the platysma carefully before closing the skin. We have to use 5-0 or 6-0 monofilament suture so that there is less skin reaction. The tissue should be gently handled. In the aftercare, the wound should be taped so that there is less shearing force over it. The wound should be sun protected. There should be adequate moisturization and sometimes massaging is advocated. The stitch should be removed as promptly as possible. Generally, it is 7 days in head neck region, and on face, it is 5 days. In spite of taking all the measures, sometimes we need scar revision, and there are multiple options for scar revision. These are derm abrasion, pulsed dye laser. We can simply excise the scar with elliptical incision and close it. We can do plasty for realignment of the scar. Fillers or autologous fat grafts sometimes used for depressed scar, and multiple plasties, geometric broken line, plasty. These are some other options. So look at this picture. The thyroidectomy scar has been camouflaged within the natural skin crease. And this is the neck dissection scar, which is very much less obvious 3 months post-operatively. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.